What are the aspects of diversity? What do we mean by diversity? Imagine a world where everyone looks the same, walks and talks the same, speaks the same language, and that too in the same voice. Or worse, imagine everyone eats the same food everywhere. Will that be a good thing? The world will be so colorless, right? Because if everyone in the world has to look the same way and do the same things, it will be like a world full of clones. Our world is unique because even though we share a lot of similarities, we are also quite different. People speak different languages, eat different kinds of foods, and follow different religions. We call these differences diversity. You can see this diversity even in your classroom. Your classroom has both boys and girls. Perhaps you and your friends speak different languages at home and celebrate different festivals. However, despite our differences, we can celebrate each other's festivals, understand other cultures, and live in harmony. But how did our societies become so diverse? For centuries, people have been traveling to distant places in ships, on camels, or on foot. In the past, people may have traveled for trade, or to escape drought, or famine, or in search of work, or due to fear of war. Since the journeys were so difficult and time-consuming, they stayed in places for a long time or even forever. When they lived in new places, they adopted some of the habits of the new place and continued to follow some of their old practices. Over a long period of time, distinct languages and traditions developed in specific regions. Adapting to the geographical area of a region also led to diversity. Like the lifestyle of people living in the mountains is very different from those living in the desert. Now, you know how diversity makes our world a unique and beautiful place. Here is what we have learned.